Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you a common problem why Fiesta might not be able to start. And this one is ignition coil fuse. So we'll demonstrate how to find the ignition coil fuse and how to replace it. If the vehicle turns over but it doesn't have a spark, it could be, of course, crankshaft position sensor, it could be ignition coil, but if none of the ignition coils get signal, okay, check the fuse first. Okay, if you don't get spark, check the fuse, and we'll show you which fuse. We'll be taking apart the whole car, so make sure you subscribe guys. We have many videos coming, probably 200 videos, so let's start on it now. So what we'll need to do guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So on the back side, once you remove the cover, you'll be able to find the fuse numbers. Number 22, okay, it's 20 amp fuse. Okay, this one right here is for your ignition coils. So if you don't get any spark on any of the ignition coils, any spark plugs, so make sure that you replace, okay, that fuse right here. Without that fuse, okay, let me show you what the symptoms are. Okay, okay, not starting. You can see. I'll go ahead and just put a new fuse. Okay, and let's go ahead and do that now. Fired right up. So it could be a fuse, and that could be from a bad ignition coil. Sometimes it can burn a fuse, moisture as well. So that's a video guys. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.